Mycogen brand sunflower hybrids are developed to deliver greater yield and oil content for higher profit potential. Learn more at mycogen.com/sunflowers.
For clarification, groundwater is the subsurface water and the water table is the upper surface of the groundwater. The water table also marks the boundary between the saturated and unsaturated zones. A saturated zone is a zone below the ground where the pore space and cracks in sediments and rocks are completely filled with groundwater, whereas the unsaturated zone is above the saturated zone where the pore space is filled with air, water, and other organisms. Not to be mixed with aquifers, in this video the term groundwater depth is interchangeable, used only in reference to water table at different depths under non-irrigated conditions.
Good quality groundwater can be an excellent source of water for crops if the water table is at an optimal depth of about 3 feet and there are moderate weather conditions. The quality of groundwater not only affects soil health, but poor quality groundwater can severely limit crop yields. Poor quality groundwater is usually the result of high salts or sodium in the water. In addition, water table at too shallow a depth leads to the depletion of oxygen around plant roots and poses even greater risk of soluble salts and sodium near the soil surface. To learn more about these problems and how to maintain optimum water table depths in order to improve soil health and crop productivity, we discuss them with specialist Naeem Kalwar at the NDSU Langdon Research Extension Center, North Dakota. Naeem works specifically on soil health issues.
Hello everyone, my name is Naeem Kalwar and I am the Extension Area Specialist for Soil Health with NDSU Langdon Research Extension Center. I'm a member of the NDSU Soil Health Initiative Group tasked to help growers and landowners overcome soil health problems in North Dakota. Groundwater quality and water table depth have a direct impact on soil health and subsequently crop yields. Good quality groundwater at an optimum water table depth can increase crop yields by providing the much needed water to the plant roots in the absence of irrigation or rainfall.
What are the parameters to check the groundwater quality?
There are different parameters to check the groundwater quality for different purposes. For crops, electrical conductivity is used to estimate the quantity of salts in the water. To test for excessive sodium, ratios of sodium to other soil ions, such as calcium and magnesium, are calculated, resulting in exchangeable sodium percentage or sodium adsorption ratio. Soil pH is also checked to confirm some potential sodium problems. We can also analyze groundwater for total soluble salts. Groundwater having a total soluble salts level of under 500 parts per million will be considered non-saline.
What can be an optimal water table depth and how does it affect crop yields?
It is very important to maintain the water table levels at optimum depths in order to provide the best combination of crop water supply and aeration within the plant root zone. An optimum water table depth would be well suited to the rooting patterns of the crop and should recede gradually during the growing season as roots grow deeper into the soil. Various researchers have demonstrated that optimum water table depths for corn were 2 to 3 feet deep, 1.5 to 2 feet for soybeans, and about 2 feet deep for alfalfa.